Hi Sonics! I'm going to show you how to get this new sound test menu and supersonic early in Sonic 2. I'm just going to choose Sonic and Tails. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to choose Sonic and Tails. I love Sonic and Tails. I love the Sonic team. So press S-E-G-A, and then if you hear a ring sound, you got it. So hold 2 fingers to the tile screen. And then let go until you're at this. And then the code to get the emeralds. Okay, hold on. Yeah, okay, let's move this. Oh yeah. When I go to Emerald Hill? What? Oh, okay. The code is 4. Oops. 4, 1, 2, 6. Then if you hear a Chaos Emerald sound, you got it. So I'm going to choose Emerald Hill Act 2. Because Supersonic is really invincible. And yeah, I love Supersonic, I love Super Tails, I love Super Knuckles, I love Super Mighty, I love Super Ray. I love all the super characters. Like Super Shadow, Super Rouge. What? I don't think there's a Super Rouge. Super Blaze, which is called Fire Blaze for some reason. 42, close. I'm really close now. Yes, I'm Supersonic. Okay, bye Sonic!